welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Deanna Monet, and on this channel I do mainly hair reviews with a sprinkle of beauty and fashion. So thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm pretty excited to get into what we have going on because this will be a hair review, and this unit was actually sent over from a luxury hair company called Kaylee Cruz. The owner of this brand is a mother of 3 small children, and she actually started it to inspire them as well as other women to go for their dreams and their goals in life. And their goal is also to provide hair that will last a long time due to the high quality. So this is the packaging here. Look how gorgeous this box is. It has the little bow on the front. Okay, so the packaging is on point. Everything is personalized. Everything is customized, down to the stickers, down to the tissue paper, down to the cute little envelope and the note that they send you, and even their mousse. Okay, this also is in the package. This is their luscious hair mousse infused with argan oil for volume and soft hold. So we did get a few more goodies inside of here. Oh, this is cute. It comes with a Gucci headband. I like that. That is cute. Luscious curl restoring conditioner infused with ginseng, bamboo, and coconut oil. Vegan. It is curl defining and hydrating. It also came with this super cute bonnet. So the hair does come in this nice satin packaging. I really like the little tassels on the back. That is such a cute touch. Look at these pretty curls. So it comes with that black standard headband with the Velcro strap attached. Comb here at the top and one at the bottom. It feels so nice. So I'm going to go ahead and wash this hair, and I will be back when she is all dry to try her on. Hey beauties, so I am all finished styling this unit. This unit that I have received, her name is Kimberly. Okay, Kimberly is cute. I'm going to put the price right on the screen for you, and I do have a coupon code that you can use. My coupon code is Deanna20. So if you would like to save a couple of dollars off of the hair, use coupon code Deanna20, and that will take some off your purchase. I am really here for this curl pattern. The curls are very, very pretty. I would guess it's about 20 or 22 inches. You know, it looks a little shorter when it's curly, and it's stopping here on me, and I am 5'4". So it's a really nice length. It's not overwhelming. It's not too much. The density is everything. The density is on point. I know I love me some big hair, and I did not even have to go in with my comb and really fluff this out. Like, after I washed her, I let her air dry, and this is how she came out. I mean, I'm sure I fluffed her up a little bit because that's just what I do. Like, I gotta give it some value, but she looks really, really good. Right now I just have on the standard black headband that comes with the unit, but she did send over a lot of goodies, so let's talk about those real quick. This headband is really, really pretty. You do have the option to purchase this for an additional $5 on her website. You have a few different options for headbands: pink with crystals, gray with crystals, black and gold, silver GG. So you have a few different options for different headbands. I'm going to go ahead and pop this one open. Oh my goodness, she is so cute. So cute. I am feeling very festive in this. I'm feeling very glam. I can really tell that her presentation is all about glam, luxe, have you feeling good. This is a luxury hair company, and when I tell you that everything from the packaging to the products to the quality, I can really feel that with everything that I have received. It is 100% luxury for real. It also came with this nice mousse. This is the Kaylee Cruz Luscious Hair Mousse infused with argan oil. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this on my head, shake it up. I don't want to put too much, but I do want to try it out. Smells amazing. Just going to kind of run that through these curls. Smells, oh my goodness, it smells like perfume almost. So I just kind of brushed it through with my fingers really fast. If you really wanted to achieve a more sleek look, of course you would take more mousse, more water, maybe some leave-in conditioner or some curl cream, and kind of rake that through with a comb or your fingers, and that would give your curls a more defined, sleek look. But me, I like them big, I like them wild, so that's all the mousse I'm going to apply. I also received this Luscious Curl Restoring Conditioner infused with ginseng, bamboo, and coconut oil. So I did use some of this after I shampooed the hair. I used this for the conditioner, and this smells really nice also. It left the hair very smooth, very soft, like very moisturized. Very soft, very full. I love the texture of the curls and how thick she is. I really got very little shedding from her, very little as I was washing her. So I would not consider her a big shedder, and so far no real tangling from her either. So you can wear her down like this. You can also put her up. You can do a half up, half down. There's a lot of different ways that you can wear this unit. I'm going to try to put her up in a little messy bun really quick, so hold on. So beauties, that does bring me to the end of this video. Those are all the headband looks I have to show you today, and I'm feeling it. I think Kimberly is a win. Now I do realize that the price point may not be in everyone's budget. This is on the higher end, and that's okay. If it's not in your budget, that's okay. I do showcase all kinds of wigs and price points on my channel, so I'm just bringing you some options. But please keep in mind that when you do purchase from this company, because they are a luxury hair company, you're getting that quality also. It comes with a customer satisfaction guarantee and quality hair that is meant to last you a long time. Once again, I would like to thank Kaylee Cruz Hair for sending over this unit for me to review. I am really very happy with it. These curls, this length, everything. It's a win, like I said. So if you are interested in checking out this unit, then check out that link below in the description box. I do have a coupon code for the hair. She has a wide array of beauty items on her website, so just go check it out. Maybe you don't want to purchase the wig, maybe you want to support in another way. This is a female business owner, so check out her page. She has her story, a lot of information on there. Maybe you'll see something else that you like. I thank you so much for watching this video in full. If you made it to this point of this video and you are not already subscribed to my channel, then what are you doing? Hit that button down below. Make sure you hit that bell right next to it so you can always be notified when I post. Follow me over on Instagram. My Instagram is Deanna_Monet. That will really help me out also. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you later.